Thank you for tuning in to watch Sixto. My name's Sixto. I have a 1950s Benrus vintage men's watch. Not on a band, because I don't have one. Well, I do have one, but it's buried with all the watch boxes that I have, because this is an 18 mil lug width. Let's see, I believe. Let's get the measurements. So yeah, roughly, let's see, 17.8, 18. Yep, 18 mil. And continue on with the measurements from lug to lug, if I get it right. 39.2. Thickness 11.2. Benrus has been around for a minute, and they're still putting out some decent watches. 33, and with the crown, probably sitting at 36. Close, 35.3. So, like I said, Benrus has been around for a minute, and they're still, I believe to this day, they're putting out watches. I've seen several of them on eBay. So this is they say it's a self-winding. Looks like it, because it's already taken. The case back, we have a whole bunch of quote-unquote waterproof. You know, we know that's not true. What is it? Number 7001 series, open through crystal. Oh, that's cool. So you pop open from the front. Dust proof, which it probably still is. Then we have engraved stainless steel back, 20 micron gold encasement bezel. So it's 20 layers of gold plated. That's pretty cool. Self-winding. Which is true. Which probably needs some good help. Pretty nice manual wind. Very vocal. I'm sure one pull out only goes, because you have to rotate 24 hours to change the date, which there was. Which the date's not that far off, I believe. Today's the 13th, so 5 days ahead again of the schedule, but eventually I'll catch up. And let's set it up to where the... Alright. So it's gold plated. There's some lume on there, which you can see the lume already gone. The 3 stars. Where there's some lume on the... No, it's the gold. That's slowly fading away from the 9, 12, and 6. 3 o'clock, it's bordered in the gold. Let's see. A picture in the picture. With the mineral crystal. That's pretty cool. So you take the case, take the crown off. Or take the crown. You take the crystal off and you can enter it from there. I wonder if any other watch companies are still doing that. Besides, I think, what is it? San Martin came out with theirs. This is a pretty cool little vintage watch. Obviously too small. So right now, wrist shot. I'm wearing the Far and Swift. I forgot the name of it already. The seaplane. It's actually pretty cool. As you can see, there's a plane. It's a pretty cool automatic. Stay tuned for the review. So, this is actually pretty cool. I always wanted to get me one of these, but I can't pull off a vintage watch as much as I would like to. But this probably be more of a collector piece for me per se. It's probably one of those background watch pieces that I'll have on display somewhere like so. But have it display like this on a desk, which in due time. But there's several vintage watches that I would love to have in my collection. And just right now, not gonna be the time for it at the moment, but it's not off the table per se. It's pretty cool just to have a vintage timepiece like this, or something like this, a pocket watch, to at least, you know, to remind us about the past. We can have in our collection. But we got so many things in the hobby that keep us intrigued of everything. And actually, I'm pretty surprised at how well the plated and stayed on. So let me know what you guys think about Benrus. If you have them, or if it's new to you, let me know in the comments below. Until the next one, you guys are awesome. Bye.